Disruptive storms are part and parcel of the Great British Autumn and Winter, but the good news is that we're much better at forecasting them.
250 millimetres of rain and significant flooding.
Bigger storms that have the potential to cause significant disruption are now given names, helping to get the public safety message across. Remember Storm Emma in 2018 when blizzards swept across southwest England and Wales, and Storm Arwen in 2021 when thousands of trees were felled across the north of the UK. Weather forecasts 4 days ahead are reckoned to be as accurate as they were just 1 day ahead 30 years ago. In October 2023, storms Babette and Kieran were both named by the Met Office at least 3 days in advance, and weather warnings were issued well before the storms had properly formed. It's possible because of huge advances in weather forecasting technology. More detailed satellite imagery and more powerful supercomputers doing a mind-boggling 14,000 trillion calculations every second.
We've seen huge improvements to our computer modelling. As well as that, we've made advancements with our observations. Satellite data, for example, can look closely at areas where we're going to see storms developing. We've learnt from previous events, and so now the meteorologists can look for telltale signs and pinpoint and see areas of low pressure that are likely to develop, particularly those that are going to be most severe for the UK.
Whilst the accuracy of forecasting storms has vastly improved, there are still variables that can cause big changes in detail. Tiny shifts in atmospheric conditions at the last minute can alter the track of a storm, making a big difference to the area it hits and the possible impacts. There's no compelling link between UK windstorms and climate change, but some scientists think they're getting wetter and they're clustering where we get several storms coming in quick succession. And that's caused by more blocking patterns in the jet stream, where we get stuck with persistent strong winds in the upper atmosphere. That's what happened in February 2022, when storms Dudley, Eunice and Franklin all hit the UK in just 1 week. So, whilst autumn and winter storms have the potential to be more impactful in the future, early warnings and more detailed forecasts will help minimise disruption and save lives.